Hey, welcome back guys to another video. So in this video, what we'll do is we'll learn how to get data from web using document loaders. Okay. So first let's see. Okay. So see. So if for example, this is our website from where we'll load the data. This is basically support vector machine, like the information given by Wikipedia on support vector machines. So we'll try to scrap this data. Okay. So we'll copy this and keep it somewhere. Okay. Okay, we'll keep this website here. Okay. So for this, first we'll import from LangChain community dot document loaders import. For this, we need to import loader, web-based loader. Okay, sorry. And always keep in mind, like whenever we are working with scrapping data from web, we need beautiful soup. So here also we need a beautiful soup, so we'll import beautiful soup as well. If you don't have beautiful soup, you need to first install it, and I have already installed it, so we will import beautiful soup as well. So yeah, so now we have imported the libraries. Now we'll start initializing it. So web loader, then web based loader, web based load. Okay, come on, web based loader, and then here we have to mention the paths. Okay, so come on, web paths. Okay, we are selecting here. There is a two, like there is web path also, then there is web paths also. If you have multiple links, you can use web paths. If you have single link, you can use web. But if we are using web paths, like it doesn't matter, it will still work. You have to just put a comma at the end. Okay, so we'll copy this link, we'll paste it here, we'll put comma here. Okay, and we'll put everything into a bracket. Okay, and then we'll try to let's try to load this. Okay, and print it. Print the loader. Okay, we are getting an error. What's there? Invalid URL. Invalid URL. Okay, sorry. What's wrong? There's something wrong with this one. We'll directly paste it. Copy this from here. Okay, so yeah, you can see we are able to read it, but we are getting entire, like everything. What, like it is reading everything, like edit history, appearance is small, with width, color, and everything. We don't want, like, we don't need everything. Okay, suppose we only want this title and this particular content. Okay, so in that case, what we need to do is we have to use beautiful soup along with document loaders. So we need to inspect, click, right click, and we need to select this inspect, and then we for example, we only want, the title. Okay, so okay, so this is the title, so this is the class for the title. So we'll copy this and save it here. Another way, we want the content. Okay, so for that, not the class. Okay, So this is the content which we want. So we'll copy this and we'll also save it here. Okay. So we want this too. Okay. So we'll come here and what we'll do is we'll write ps w dot keyword arguments, and then inside we'll pass everything into a dictionary, and then what we'll do is we will parse, just parse only. Okay. We want to only parse this particular classes which we will pass now, and then we will use bs4 dot soup strainer to get this particular classes, only this particular classes we'll use soup strainer, and then as we are using multiple classes we'll use class underscore, and then inside this we'll pass the names of the classes which we have copied, and this one. Okay, and then we'll try to load this. Let's see if it runs. um, I don't think the header is properly imported. Let's see. I think the header which we have copied is not correct. Header tag. Let's try to use this. Okay, yeah, so we have got it correctly in this time. So yeah, we can see it is array support vector machine mindset. Yeah. So this is the correct one which we want. So yeah, we have done it. So this is how you import data from web using web-based loader and a little bit of beautiful soup. So yeah, that's all about the video. Thank you. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe.